Hi students, how are you? I am fine and I hope that you will be fine. And you are continuously reading and I hope that you have completed your homeworks. It is very necessary because if you will complete your homework, that means you have know about this lesson. Just wait, without wasting any second, we have to come on our point. That means in previous class we have introduced about the adaptation in plants. Adaptation and habitats we have completed. After that, there are two kinds of plants. The plants that live on earth surface, that is called and plants that grow on land surface, that is terrestrial plants, and the plants that live that grow under the water, that is called aquatic plants. So dear students, at first we shall read about the plants of kinds of plants that survive, that grow on land surface. You know very well there are many forms of the land: plains, desert, mountain, plateaus, marshy land, etc. At first we shall read about the terrestrial plant in plain. Plants grow in plain. Yes, dear student. Plants are the large area. You know very well, plains are the large areas. That means it is a very unique features to the survival of the plants. So the varieties of plants found in plains. That means different kinds of plants found in these areas. The weather in this region is neither too hot, because plains have not too hot and not too cold. Overall, the moderate climate. What do you mean a moderate? Not too hot and not too too hot or not too cold. That means not too much cold and hot. Trees which grow in areas have lots of branches. The plants that grow in plain areas have lots of branches. You know very well branches, शाखाएं ढेर सारी होती है, that are spread on around surroundings. Why? Because they have opportunity to get more and more sunlight, more and more growing things, more and more fertile things. That means they get more and more space to survive. They get more and more nutrients. Okay, dear student? One thing more. In plain areas, the plants that grow in plain areas shed their leaves in, you know very well, winter season every year. Why it is so? After that, in autumn, you know very well, autumn, patjhad, sare patte, in starting winter they lost their leaves and they get new leaves in spring season. Yes, dear friend, now you have to put here. Most of the plants in set their leaves. in winter season. and they get new leaves. In spring season. Yes, dear friend. These plants are called deciduous plant. These plants are called deciduous. DECI DU OUS, deciduous plants. That means when I will ask what is a deciduous plants, you will say that most of the plants in plains shed their leaves in winter season and they get new leaves in spring season. These kinds of plants are called deciduous plants. Okay, dear friend. One thing more. Deciduous. What is the antonyms of deciduous? Evergreen. What is the antonyms? That means इसके विपरीत evergreen. That means the plants that not shed their leaves through the year, that is called evergreen. Mostly plants that grow in on mountains and marshy land, they have a special feature that they do not shed their leaves in winter. So that is called evergreen. That means green through the year. पूरे साल तक जिसमें पत्ते लगे रहते हैं. हमारे यहाँ के जो पेड़ पौधे होते हैं इन प्लेन्स एरियाज, यह एक साथ ऑटम के सीजन में आप देखे होंगे, स्टार्टिंग विंटर के सीजन में यह सारे लीव्स को सेट कर, दैट मीन्स दे सेट देयर लीव्स, वह अपने सारे पत्तों को गिरा देती है और फिर न्यू लीव्स वह स्प्रिंग सीजन में आ जाता है उनमें. तो इस ऐसे प्लांट्स को हम क्या कहते हैं? डेसिडियस प्लांट्स. और वह प्लांट जो कि पूरे साल तक ग्रीन रहता है, दैट मीन्स वह अपने पत्तों को विंटर सीजन में नहीं छोड़ता है, वह एवरग्रीन प्लांट्स कहलाता है. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट. The deciduous plants like mango, like peepal, like banyan, poplar, gulmohar, these are the kinds of plants that are found in plains that they shed their leaves in winter and they get new leaves in spring. These are deciduous, and the forests that are found in plain areas are called deciduous forest. Okay, dear students. Now, after that, we will read in before few minutes evergreen plants. So just I will read it. You have to note down in your notebook. In place which are hot and damp with marshes, lot of rain. The trees are evergreen. You know evergreen? And when I will ask what is evergreen, you have to say that the plants, you have to note down it, dear students. It is very necessary. The plants that don't shed their leaves at through the years are called evergreen. evergreen, evergreen plants. Dear students, these are evergreen plants that are mostly found in the area where a lot of rains occurs. That means वह जगह है जहां पे कि मुख्यतः ज्यादा से ज्यादा बारिश होती है. स्वैम्पी एरिया, डंप होता है, वहां पानी बहुत ज्यादा बारिश होती है, तो वहां के प्लांट्स क्या होता है, वो अपने लीव्स को एक साथ नहीं छोड़ता है. लाइक रबर ट्री, कोकोनट ट्री, palm tree. These are the plants that do not have shed their leaves at a time. Tamarind, you know tamarind? Imli. तो यह सब क्या है? These plants are found in plains, but they don't shed their leaves at a time through the years. That is evergreen plants. Okay, dear students, you know very well the rubber tree that we use. The sap of rubber tree used to make the rubber bands, tires, erasers, etc. Coconut, you know very well that because it is found in our locality also. And teak tree like saguan, ebony, these are also plants that don't shed their leaves at a time. Okay, dear student. Now in next class we will read about the plants that are found in mountains, desert, and some unusual plants also we will read, and after that we will read about the aquatic plants. So dear students, your homework is you have to write down the deciduous plants, the evergreen plants, name of the plants that found in plains, few and plants that don't shed their leaves at a time, and few plants that shed their leaves in winter and get their new leaves in summer, that means spring. So dear student, you have to put down in your notebooks, and next class we will meet again, and we will read about the plants that are found everywhere. Thank you. Stay safe, stay home.